What's up guys, William James here, and in this video I want to tell you how I made $1,900 in my first 4 days with this new offer just using my Facebook story. Okay, so real quick to give you the context of this, I jumped on board with this new offer really 5 days ago. The first day I bought it in the evening, and then the next 4 days after that I started promoting this, and I often start promoting new things just by posting about it on my Facebook story. And within the first 4 days, I've generated $1,900 in commissions with this offer just using my Facebook story. I did send 1 or 2 emails, but I don't think any of the sales actually came from those emails. I think they all came from the Facebook story. I'm actually sure of that. So, by the way, this is 19 sales, so it's $100 per sale. So I made 19 sales from people commenting on my story asking for info, basically. So just so that you understand what I did and why this worked, I want to give you, first of all, what the offer is and how I marketed it, how I used the story to get interest, generate leads, and how I close the sales. Okay, so the offer is a really, really cool new offer called Daily Takeover. And my whole philosophy of marketing and choosing offers is that picking the offer as honestly is 90% of the work. You have to pick an offer that has a very clear value proposition, has a clear curiosity hook, something that's going to get people interested, some little blurb that you can say about it in such a, on your Facebook story, for instance, or in a message to somebody, or in a Facebook post or whatever, something that you can say that's going to really pique massive curiosity so that it's easy to get people interested. And then it has to be, not confusing. It's got to be clear. It's got to be unique. It's got to offer massive value, and it's got to be affordable, basically. If I'm charging $3,000 for something, it's just going to be more difficult to make sales. So I like to make easy sales. And I like to offer things as well in this field that other people can actually be successful with. So I'm looking for stuff that the average person could go out there and start doing something like post on their Facebook story and actually get sales, because I want my people to succeed at this. So the stuff that I offer is, I pick offers based on how easy it's going to be for me to promote and for my people to promote, whether it's unique, whether it's got something curious, some curiosity hook that's really going to grab people's attention, because I'm looking to make it as easy as possible, right? And the other thing that I really love is 100% commissions. And I also love the $100 price range. So when I saw this offer, I was like, this is the perfect thing. This is exactly, I have one other offer that's similar in a lot of these respects called Textbot, which I've done extremely well with. And it has a lot of the similar features. So 100% commissions of $100, and just a very unique, highly appealing offer with a great curiosity hook. So with this, the offer is a Daily Takeover, and basically what it is, it's a platform which allows marketers to give away a bunch of prizes as incentives for other people to join their primary businesses. So if you're out there promoting Easy One Up, for example, you could take some of the prizes that we give you in Daily Takeover and attach them. So you could say, if you join me in Easy One Up, you are going to get a 7-inch Android tablet, a fitness smartwatch, a brand new pair of high-end headphones, and you're going to get a 5-day Caribbean cruise, all completely for free when you join me in Easy One Up. And we give you the actual these coupon basically things that you can send to your leads and customers to redeem for those offers when they join your primary business. So that's super, super cool. That's only the first part of it. You also get to keep all of these things yourself and use them all yourself. Personally, I've ordered the fitness smartwatch so far. It's supposed to come, I don't know, delays in shipping because of COVID may have it screwed up. It's supposed to come within 5 days, so it's probably going to come tomorrow or the next day, but it may be delayed because of COVID. I don't know. I can't wait to get it. So, but you can use all these things yourself, and they come with a bunch of really awesome prizes. So it's all these electronics that you get, a bunch of like free vacation things, free hotels, free flights, free cruise. There's also like thousands of dollars in restaurant savings and grocery savings and like medical expenses and prescription drugs and dental stuff. And like there's a lot of really cool bonuses that you can offer and that you get to take advantage of yourself. So it's a no-brainer in the sense that you get literally thousands of dollars worth of free stuff for yourself, and you can offer that to other people in exchange, at like to give them an incentive to join some other opportunity. So it appeals to everyone in the marketing space and everyone who likes free stuff. And it's only $100 to join one time. There's no monthly fees. Once you join, all these things are yours forever. You can give them away as Christmas presents to your family, birthday presents to your friends, right? You can give these things to anybody, okay? So it's highly valuable and highly appealing. Now, on top of that, you get free unlimited business opportunity seeker leads for life that you can call, email, you get their name, email, and phone number, and those come with it. You also get a really extensive library of incredibly impressive marketing and traffic training. Like there's traffic strategies, free traffic strategies, and traffic sources that you get access to with this thing that are like, my mind was blown. I've never thought of any of this stuff before. I learned a ton in there, and I was like, dude, you could be charging like at least $2,000 just for the marketing training, let alone for all the other stuff, right? So that's basically the offer, okay? So now you understand why it's so easy to promote. So what I did was I simply posted a story on my Facebook, a text-based story that was, who wants to make $100 per day giving away free stuff? And I made, off of that story, I made like 3 or 4 sales, okay? So what happened, and then I posted a couple of other stories. So let me tell you what the other stories that I posted, and then I'll tell you what I said to the people. So that was the first story, and then I posted another story that was like a longer explanation of it. That was something like get paid $100 a day by giving away tons of free prizes that you also get to keep yourself, or thousands of dollars worth of free prizes that you get to keep yourself, plus 100% commissions or something like that. The wording was probably better than that. And then I had a couple of slides where I sort of explained it, where I said, we have travel discounts and electronics, and you get to keep it all yourself, plus unlimited business leads, plus you can give all this stuff away to your subscribers, and it's only $100 one time, and you make 100% commissions of $100 a pop whenever somebody wants to take advantage of it. Something like that, right? I basically just gave them the hook. And I got like tons and tons of people saw the story and commented info. Now, I gotta say, getting people to see your story, you do have to warm up your Facebook algorithm for that. The only reason that I have hundreds of people seeing my Facebook story is because I know how the Facebook algorithm works, and I'll give you a hint. You've got to be engaging on Facebook. The more you comment and like and mostly comment on your friends' posts on Facebook, the more time you spend actually interacting with people on Facebook, the more views you're going to get on your story. Okay, so if you're one of those people who gets like 20 views on your story, that's why, guys. You got to build your audience and engage like hell with those people, and that shows the Facebook algorithm to show your content to them, right? That's a lot of it. That's a good part of what I teach in my group. The free Facebook floodgate is going into that in much greater detail of how that works and what you need to do. But if you're in my group, which a lot of you are, you know how that works. Okay, so that's how you get views on your story in a nutshell. So now that you're getting views on your story, you can post something like that that's just a good curiosity hook. People are going to comment for info. Okay, now what do? Well, this is important. What I did was I recorded a YouTube video similar to this one, where I just laid out what the thing was, and it was like 8 minutes long. And I sent it to people. That's it. They said they commented info, and I said, cool. I made a quick video explaining what this is. Watch it here. I sent them the video. They watched the video. They got it because it's an awesome concept, and they bought it. Okay, so the point of this video, guys, is to show you that it is not hard to make significant amounts of money using Facebook if you have a few things in place. You need to have traffic, eyeballs on your content by knowing how to use the Facebook algorithm and doing it and staying consistent and forming a relationship with your audience so that they know, like, and trust you. Okay, that's a big part of it. Getting eyeballs onto your content, okay, and having an offer that is just a slam dunk, that's a no-brainer, that people actually want and need, okay? One of the things that is holding so many people back is that everyone in this space is trying to recruit other people into some elaborate network marketing company type business or something, where there's all these sort of, dubious products and claims, and it's going to take a ton of work, and like it's a big decision. Whereas if you can offer something like a tool that's going to help people, that's affordable, it's a one-time cost, that's affordable, $100 one time, and it's highly valuable, and everyone in the industry needs it or could very well use it, you make a lot of sales, guys. So comparing that with like trying to get somebody to join HempWorks or like Isogenics or something, this is just like 100 times easier, and you probably make more money per person. So traffic combined with an offer that actually helps the marketplace. And then the only third thing that you need to connect those two is the curiosity hook. It's like, is there something cool and unique about this offer that I can say to hook people? And with this, it's who wants to make $100 a day giving away free stuff? Right? That right there is enough to get a lot of attention. You can say a little bit more too about it, but giving away free stuff, that's what was the subject line of the email that I opened from the guy whose list I'm on, who sent me this. And I was like, oh, that sounds interesting. Opened it up, watched his little video. I was like, oh, this is awesome. Let's do it, right? It's a very easy decision, in other words, to join this offer because it's affordable, it's awesome, you make 100% commission. Like, there's no reason to say no to this. So you get an offer like that and you get it in front of people, guys, and you start making money, okay? And as you start making money, you post your screenshots of the money that you're making, right? Some of the sales came because I was posting screenshots of, look, I made $100. Here's how this works. Comment for info, right? People, they need to see that. So that's how you get momentum going, okay? And then once you've got momentum going and you're making money and people start to see you as like somebody who's successful, who's an authority, then you can start marketing, your network marketing company or something that's like harder to get a sale on, something that requires more explanation and more, it's a bigger decision. But if you're new and you're like trying to break into the industry, you need something that's super, super easy. That's just a no-brainer that you can go out there, post on your Facebook story, and get people to buy it, okay? It's not hard. There's some of you guys who are out there like trying to do this for years and like you've never made a sale. This is not hard. You're just approaching it from like the wrong angle or something, okay? So anyway, I will have a link under this video or a button somewhere where you can check this thing out and hopefully jump in and go make some sales, because it's awesome and there's really nothing like, why would you not take advantage of offers like this? They come around very infrequently and they're awesome and you can make a lot of money very quickly with them. So anyway, and they're, highly ethical and like they provide a lot of serious value. So they're like, right? So anyway, I'll put a button or a link down there. Check it out. And I hope this made sense to you guys. And I hope your eyes are a little bit opened about like, okay, I need to like go use Facebook the right way and combine it with a great offer and things will fall into place. And like, this isn't that complicated. All right, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.